So yeah, hi guys. So welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be going to analyze the weekly trade which we posted in our YouTube channel in the past 1 month. Okay, so most of the trades ended in a profit, and as we analyze, so the Nifty and most of the stocks have been moved in our same direction which we analyzed. So this is for an educational view, so please do your own analysis before doing the real trade. So we can go into that detailed analysis. So here you can see that, so this is the first video we posted for the analysis. Okay, so this is like we made this live trade analysis for the week of the 21st May, and we end up with the profit, and we here we initiated the iron condor option strategy. So where we had a limit break even points of like around 9,500 on the upside, and we had a 8,800 on the downside. And if you look at the 21st May, so the actually the Nifty ended inside this range, as we based on our analysis, we had that the market will be range bound on that week, so that ended with a very good profit. And after that we posted the live trade analysis for the Titan. Okay, so in the Titan we analyzed that there is a huge call rating on a 980 or 1000 call option, and if you look at the 800 put option, there is also the very good huge put option rating. So we came to an finalized that the Titan will expire anywhere between the level of 800 and 1000. And if you look at the Titan price which expired today, it's ended at the level of the 853. Okay, so there we done a trade of with the limited risk strategy. So there we got the huge profit of like 11,585 rupees, 11,850 rupees, and we also had the break even of like 760 on the downside and 995. And you can see that the Titan, you can let me show you guys, the Titan ended at the level of 900 today, so which is between our range which we analyzed like in a real trade which we have posted in the video. So based on that we had a profit of 11,850 rupees. Okay, so then after that, for this current week which is like a 28th May, so we posted an analysis on the Nifty, and telling that based on the call options, based on that open interest, we came to an analysis that the Nifty will be slightly bullish. So if you go and look at the Twitter, most of the Twitter analysts told that the Nifty will be looking bearish, but I mentioned in the video that if you can if you have a look at this video, I clearly mentioned that the Nifty will be slightly bullish and it won't go below 9,000, while the Nifty is trading at the level of 9,100. Okay, so after that we made a option strategy, and I gave it two strategies. So one is like a limited risk and one is with the unlimited risk. Okay, so in a limited risk strategy, I told the users that wherever the market falls, so as we are in a slightly bullish mode, so we made it option trade, so that wherever the market goes, we'll be getting the profit of 885 rupees for one lot. And if the market expires at the same level, as you can see that the Nifty is closing at the level of 9,000 to 9,200 for the past 3 expiries. Okay, so based on that, I assume that might be the market can move slightly bullish and it can come back to the same level. So I gave the option strategy based on that if the market expire anywhere between 9,000 to 9,100, so we'll be getting the max profit of 9,635. And if that market moves anywhere on the upside, we'll be having a profit of 885, and there won't be any loss at all. Okay, and if the market moves on downside, we'll be having the loss of 2,865. As we are bullish on the market, so that I took that the market won't move down, so there is no iron condor or butterfly or whatever the strategies I didn't took, and I took this strategy so that the market wherever moves upward will end up with a small profit. And I also told to that risk takers that if you're a risk taker, you can play as a naked strategy on the downside. Okay, so here you can see that, so there is an unlimited risk on the downside, and the break even is like at the level of 8,866. okay, so I clearly mentioned that if you are a risk taker, you can play with this strategy, and there will be the profit of max profit of like around 10,000 if the market expires at the same level of somewhere between the 9,000 to 9,100, and will be having a profit of around 6,000 at the upper side, so wherever the market moves. So here you can see that if the risk taker has been taken this trade, he'll end up with the profit of 6,000, as you mentioned clearly that the Nifty will be in a bullish mode. So here you can see that the Nifty has ended at the level of like 9,490, and we end up with the profit of 6,360 rupees. okay, so this is the trade which I posted on my YouTube video for the past 1 month of time. So which is like we posted 2 weekly Nifty analysis trade and 1 stock option trade on the Titan, which also here all the 3 strategies which we posted in our channel ended with a very good profit. okay, so we'll be posting an analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty by tomorrow, or else by today even. So if possible, I will post the video by today or tomorrow. So please do subscribe to our channel so that let's learn together for the lots of fun option strategies. And I'll be posting the so many lots of options adjustments